Hi, I'm Chef RJ Ramos, and now we are cooking shepherd's pie with truffle. For our filling, 300 grams of ground beef, 1 small onions and 3 cloves of garlic, tomato paste, 1 medium canned tomatoes, around 400 grams, some carrots, paprika, bay leaf, and thyme, and of course our Umbria black truffle sauce. For the mashed potatoes, 3 medium potatoes, around 500 grams, 1/4 cup milk, and Umbria white truffle oil. First, just process the vegetables. So just dice the onions, mince the garlic, dice the carrots, and process the potatoes. The first thing that we will do for our shepherd's pie is to make the mashed potatoes. Just boil your potatoes for 30 minutes, then we'll proceed with cooking our filling. So while the potatoes are cooking, we can start cooking the filling. Start by sauteing the onions and garlic. Once it becomes translucent, we add the garlic. Once the garlic starts releasing its aroma, you can add the carrots. Once it's coated with oil, you can add the beef. You can increase the heat to medium, and you can season lightly at this point. You're just gonna have to wait for the beef to color a bit. Then now you can add the tomato paste. Just evenly distribute the tomato paste. And now you can add your canned tomatoes and your aromats. The bay leaf, paprika, and thyme. So let it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes until the oil starts to separate. And by the time your filling is cooked, your mashed potatoes should be done as well. Yeah, so after 30 minutes, let's just check if our potatoes are cooked. Yeah, drain it well. Unfortunately, I don't have any tool for this. You can always use your fork. But if you have something at home, you can use it, of course. At this point, you can add 1/4 cup of milk, season with salt, and half tablespoon of your Umbria white truffle oil. For this particular recipe, I won't mash it like super smoothly and run it in a tammy because I like the chunks when I eat the pie. Give it a taste. And add some salt and lightly season with pepper. So you can set this aside and you can now check your beef. So after around 20 minutes, and we can see the oil is separating. You can check it now how it tastes. I hope you can smell this, like it smells really good. Okay, salt, black pepper, and to finish, 1 tablespoon of the Umbria black truffle sauce. So to build our pie, I'm gonna use a 7-inch paella pan. So just transfer your beef mixture, flatten it. Next will be the mashed potato. Spread it around until you cover everything. We're just gonna lightly brush with an egg wash our pie and put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. So after 30 minutes in the oven, here's our shepherd's pie with truffle.